Hey everyone, we're going to graph the curve whose parametric equations are given and show the orientation. Also find the Cartesian equation of the curve. We have x equals 4 cosine of t and y equals 2 sine of t, and this is from 0 to 2 pi for t. Let's first do the Cartesian equation of the curve. I find that's helpful in graphing so we know what we have. Let's look at let's solve for x here, cosine of t. If we use cosine squared of t plus sine squared of t, your Pythagorean identity, and then I'm going to solve for cosine of t equals x divided by 4, and sine of t equals x divided by 2, then I can write this with substitution as x divided by 4 squared plus y divided by, this is y, sorry, y divided by 2 squared equals 1. Simplifying this would give you x squared divided by 16 plus y squared divided by 4 equals 1. Therefore, this is an ellipse. Basically, you just go out 4 for the x. Just take square root of 16 and go up 2 for the y, down 2. So it looks something like that. That's just what our curve should kind of look like, especially if we're going from 0 to 2 pi. So let's go ahead and graph it based off our parametric equations. So let's look at t, and if our t starts at 0, we'll do 0, pi divided by 2, pi, 3 pi divided by 2, and then we go all the way to 2 pi. So for your x, if you get, and then we have our y, and then you have your xy. All right, so for x, cosine of 0 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Sine of 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So our first initial point is 4, 0, which is here. Now, for pi divided by 2, cosine of pi divided by 2 is 0. So 0 times 4 is 0. Sine of pi divided by 2 is 1, so you get a 2. So this is going to be 0, 2. So this is your orientation. We're going this way. All right. Next, we have pi. Cosine of pi is -1 times 4 is -4. Sine's going to be 0, so -4, 0. So we're here now. Keep going around this way. And now let's do 3 pi divided by 2. Cosine of 3 divided by 2 is 0. And sine of 3 pi divided by 2 is -1. That gives you -2. So you have 0, -2. So here we are there. And then at 2 pi, we're going to come back up to the original. So that's just going to be 4, 0. So we end here. All right, so this is your orientation. This is 4, 0. Our initial point is the same as our end point. So it's defined for all, the curve traces all the ellipse by x squared divided by 16 plus y squared divided by 4 equals 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.